I got the opportunity to teach two twin girls about base 10 pieces. These girls were Jersey and Taylor. They're 8 years old. They're in 3rd grade at Gustner Elementary in Jamestown, North Dakota. To tell them apart, Taylor wears purple while Jersey wears pink. Their strengths and their weaknesses. Jersey's a very hands-on and visual learner, while Taylor learns better at memorization. Both of them add and subtract single-digit numbers quickly, and they show great happiness when they achieve something they worked hard for. Some of their weaknesses is they're in 3rd grade, but they learn at a kindergarten, in a 1st grade, or even a 2nd grade level. Both of them lack self-confidence, sustain attention, and struggle at counting orally out loud in a Pacific pattern. Here are some of the manipulatives that I used: base 10 blocks and a base 10 work mat. Here's us reviewing our 1s, 10s, and 100s. Here's Jersey and Taylor working on their worksheet before the activity. They were so proud of their work, they hung it up on the fridge. So the activity that I came up with was building a barn with base 10 blocks. The purpose of this activity was to show the girls that they can find interest in math by incorporating things they find interest in outside of school. Both of these girls barrel race, just like I do, so we decided to build a barn. After we were done building our barn, we counted all the base 10 pieces and put how many there was on the top of our paper. Here are the math standards that I used for the girls. And my reflection. Some things that went well. Each twin knew what base 10 pieces were. They just struggled with the concept of them. We worked on how they could be used in many different things, like making objects they find interest in, like that barn, for example. Things that could have been a little better was that I could have met with the girls separately, because I could have understood how they work better academically. It is easy for them to compete or even get distracted by one another. And the biggest struggle we overcame was understanding the number 21, or even 31 for example. Taylor thought 21 was 3 10s, while Jersey thought it was 2 10s and a 1. Jersey was correct, but we stopped and we reviewed our 1s, 10s, and 100s again to remind ourselves of the base 10 pieces and their values.